Hi everyone, and welcome to ChinesePod. I'm Jessica.
Hi everyone, I'm Joshua. 欢迎回到中文播客。
Today we're going to be looking at how to use the word 都, which means all, but in the negative sense. So last video we talked about how to say I like them all, they're all amazing. But today we're going to be learning how to say they're all terrible, I dislike them all.
我们上次学了都，今天我们要学的是都不。
We're also going to learn how to take that more middle ground approach. So rather than speaking in such extremes, they're all awesome, they're all terrible, we're going to learn how to say I like some of them are not so great.
今天我们也要学的是不全都。
All right, so let's get started.
我们开始吧。
So now we're going to look at how to use 都 plus a verb. So the first verb we'll use is 喜欢，我都喜欢, I all like. All right, so let's hear an example question.
DC 和 Marvel 的电影，你喜欢哪一个？
Okay, so DC and Marvel movies, 你喜欢哪一个? Which one do you like? My answer, DC 和 Marvel 的电影，我都喜欢, right? That extreme in the positive, I all like, 我都喜欢。
都喜欢。
Great, what about the negative, if we want to answer in the negative way?
DC 和 Marvel 的电影，我都不喜欢。
Okay, so we're using again the object at the front, DC 和 Marvel 的电影，我都不喜欢. So it's really important here to notice that the 不 is coming after 都，我都不喜欢. Okay, and what if we want to take...
Hello. We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.